Thompson into the lane, and it's taken away by Iguodala.
Remember, they do not want to call the whistle late in games.
Gallinari's on Curry. Curry's going to let it. Gallinari stole the ball! Gallinari stole the ball just like Havlicek! Puts it away!
No, enough. Gallo. Curry loses it, and Gallo goes to the floor.
James Harden is a foul. Great job by the Beard, creating the contact and going up.
Hey, James getting the contact. You can't score unless you're tipping it in. James Harden. All he's got to have is one.
Looking for a cutter. Over the top, Millsap! Oh!
What a play design by Coach Corbin.
Joe Crawford inbound. Looking for Hayward. He's got it, catch, shoot, blocked.
See the feet.
Oh, that's a three. Zalatoris and Hayward at the line, an 81% free throw shooter. If he makes three, we're heading to overtime. Hayward takes a breath. Look at the wrist here.
He's made two.
Third one's up. No.
Hits a three, a 2-point game. 1.2. And they've got to foul him if they don't steal it. Karolinko! Gets the basket.
Karolinko didn't fall for it. It slipped out of Martin's hands, and I thought that was the game. Right here. Before this, though, he said,